In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade out audio in Descript. Fading out audio is a simple yet crucial skill to learn when you're editing audio and video projects. It helps create a smooth transition, ensuring your listeners or viewers aren't startled by an abrupt cutoff. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, this skill will enhance the quality of your audio or video productions. So, let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening your project in Descript and ensuring your timeline is visible. The timeline is where you'll be making most of your edits. It's like the heartbeat of your project, showing all your audio and video clips laid out over time. You'll want to make sure that your audio or video clips are clearly visible on this timeline or in the clip lanes. This visibility is vital because it lets you see where you are applying your edits and gauge their impact on your project. Next, you'll select the specific clip you want to apply the fade-out effect to. Simply click on the audio or video clip, or the particular layer if you're working with multiple tracks, where you'd like the fade-out to occur. Selecting the right clip is crucial. It positions your cursor exactly where it needs to be for the next steps and ensures that you don't accidentally edit the wrong segment. You might want to play the clip for a few seconds to confirm you've got the right spot. Now, take your cursor and move it to the right edge of the selected clip. As you hover over the right edge, you'll notice a small circular fade handle appear. It often looks like a white dot, a visual cue designed to make this process intuitive and user-friendly. This handle is key as it is your control tool for creating smooth audio transitions. With the fade handle now in view, click and drag it towards the left. As you do so, you'll notice the waveform of the clip change, representing the audio's volume decreasing over time. Dragging this handle further towards the left increases the time it takes for the audio to fade out completely. The length of your drag determines how gradual or abrupt your fade out will be. A longer drag equals a more gradual fade, which often sounds more natural, especially when winding down music or dialogue. You might want to experiment a bit here to see what length of fade fits best with your project and ensure it aligns with the mood you're aiming to create. And there you have it, a perfectly executed audio fade-out using Descript. This technique not only enhances the listening experience, but also gives your project a polished and professional touch. Practice this a few times, and soon it'll become second nature when you're editing your projects. Now, you're all set to try it out in your next editing session. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in for more tips on mastering Descript and other editing tools.